At Baird, our purpose is to value people and restore peace of mind. And we believe our people are our most important asset.
We are always looking to employ great people from our communities and give them access to work that they can be proud of.
My experience at Baird Foundation Repair has been exciting, has been positive. The people here are amazing.
The best thing about working for Baird Foundation Repair is a family-oriented environment. You get to see the owners every day, and they just greet you, it's wholesome.
The best thing about working for Baird is working for a company that truly cares about its employees. They make sure that we have everything we need to succeed.
So not only is Baird one of the best choices for foundation repair in the area, we truly value our employees. Here you'll have every opportunity to grow and be a part of a successful team.
I would describe the people at Baird as unnormally helpful. Everybody here really loves the one-team mentality and is just so eager to help you outside of their job scope if you have something come up.
When I was looking for my next career opportunity, I was able to find Baird Foundation Repair, and I was able to look into their online page and found a lot of great smiles, a lot of leadership, and teamwork, and just people being valued for a person and an employee, and that's exactly what I was looking for.
So I've been at Baird a little bit over 3.5 years, and my experience here has been like no other. From the ownership team to the leadership team, truly caring about who I am as a person.
The advice I'd give someone joining the team is to come with a learner's mentality. Every job that we go out to is so different, but I think that's what makes it fun.
Really, we're looking for people who have a passion to be their best, do what they say they're gonna do, they're team players, and they're humbly confident. So if this sounds like you, we'd love to hear from you.